In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date property to a Notion database on mobile. Open your Notion app on your phone and give it a moment to load your workspace. You'll be working entirely on mobile, so everything I describe is optimized for the smaller screen. Once you're in, navigate to an existing page where your database lives. This could be a project hub, a content planner, or any page that already contains a database you want to adjust. On that page, look for the database you want to work on. Databases in Notion can appear as a table, board, list, calendar, or gallery. If you're not sure you're looking at a database, check for entries that line up under named properties like status, tags, or assignee. In a table view, those property names appear across the top as column headers. In other views, they're usually visible when you open an item, but for this task, you'll be focusing on the property row at the top of the database. Now move to the far right of that property row and tap the plus icon. On mobile, you may need to scroll the header area sideways to reveal it. This plus icon adds a new property to your database, which will appear as a new column in table view or as a new field in other views. If the database is narrow on your screen, take a second to slide the header gently until you see that plus sign at the edge. After tapping the plus icon, you'll see options for configuring the new property. Look for the type section, which lists different property types such as text, number, select, and more. Choose date. The date property is perfect for due dates, start and end dates, publish dates, or any time-bound information. It supports full dates and, if you like, times as well, making it handy for planning and scheduling. Finally, name the property. Pick something clear and consistent with how you use the database. Names like due date, deadline, publish date, or event date work well. A clear name ensures everyone using the database instantly understands its purpose. You can always refine the name later, but choosing something descriptive from the start helps keep your workspace tidy and easy to navigate. That's it. You opened your Notion app, found the database on an existing page, added a new property using the plus on the far right, set its type to date, and gave it a clear name. Your new date property is now part of the database and ready to support your planning and organization across entries.